Here's Alice and the Cheshire Cat in Tugly Wood. Very awesome theming here at the Wonderland Cinema. Across the way, there's similar theming at the Peter Pan, or what do they call it? I guess we'll go over and see in a second. Here's the hallway to Wonderland Cinema. Zero into some of the features. I'm late. A very important date. We're inside of Wonderland Theater, one of the two theaters here on the Disney Destiny. Very cool setup. Not huge. Look at the back of all these seats. It's like different cards. Over there, take a look. Look right there. There's the Mad Hatter. There's a little mouse. I'm late for a very important date. Over there's the Cheshire Cat. Very cool. Even the detail of this little wall here. Cool setup there. All over the wall, if you notice, all the way down. Cheshire Cat is presenting itself in different forms. There's the main stage. I'm over in the corner. I'll pan up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. One row in the middle. You could roll some form of wheelchair in, or some type of something to help you walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You know, probably, in all honesty, no more than 100 people in here, would you think? Yeah. But a nice little room to watch a movie, no doubt. Here, the end of these are the little hearts of things. Tons of itty bitty little details. And the ceiling there, of course. Wonderland Cinema. I love the theming that they have throughout this. It's pretty awesome. And the inside that you're getting ready to see, very, very cool. And just like you'll see on the inside here is the Cheshire Cat again. Gotta check out that doorknob. We have 2 ornaments that look like that doorknob. Behind there are the mushrooms and the frogs. And again, the Cheshire Cat. You know? And we'll go down and look at the hallway. The hallway is themed to this as well. And between the two, you see this Hercules carpeting that they have between the two. Over there, just the carpeting here is pretty cool. But over here, you go to Neverland Cinema. Neverland Cinema is based on Peter Pan. I can fly. There's Wendy and Peter. Neverland Cinema. The inside of the cinema, I think, is a very similar size to the other, showing different movies. Here looking at the flying ships, which of course I love because it was the first ride I ever went on at Disney World, was the Flight of Peter Pan. Here we go. This just seems to be clouds going back through, a little bit different than the other side that was Neverland, even though right here. That's pretty cool. And here's the theme of the what was this one called? I want to call it the Peter Pan Neverland Theater we have here. But you can see it's the theme, and on the wall where the Cheshire Cat was are Tinkerbells all around. And right there are swords at the end versus the hearts that were over in the other. Yep. Now at the bottom of this one you see Tinkerbell up there bringing us light, and down there is a crocodile. Never smile at a crocodile. Chairs. Pretty awesome. Peter Pan, Wendy, and the children. Pouring is clouds. Captain Hook and Mr. Smee. But a very comfortable theater for about 100 people, I think, is what you would have. As you see at the theater, second star to the right and straight on until morning. On this side we have a little Indian with Tinkerbell. Over there with some teepees, there's Tinkerbell. Look up in the sky, there's the ship a-flying. Back here, yet another Tink. Over here is Tink with the skull. You'll see in the back there various mountains and the clouds up on the top here, clouds as well. Down here low, the children dressed up. And the backs of so many of these chairs are Peter Pan, Wendy, and the children. Pretty cool spot to come see a movie. Just so many little touches. Here, over here, there was an E. And down here was an SE, and I was curious what that was at first. And I started looking at the other side, so let's go over there. The other side was W. Down here at the bottom was SW. So I think we can conclude that was east, west, southwest, southeast. And then up at the top you saw the end. So if I hadn't come in here before a movie, I'm not sure I would have picked up on all that. So north, west, to the east. I saw the carpet as clouds, but then I saw the seats. They're clouds as well, to go along with everything around us and the clouds above. Huh. Not sure if that's karaoke or not. This is on the way inside to the Neverland Cinema. There's Peter Pan and Tinkerbell.